Hey, let's take a look at the free bonuses you're getting along with your purchase. When you choose to purchase this product through my link in the description below, you'll also receive these free bonus packages valued at over $7,000. Trust me, this bonus package is designed to not only save you valuable time and money, but also enhance the quality of your life. You can claim these bonuses after completing the transaction and email your receipt to support@testedapps.com. So, I can use this information to validate your purchase. You will receive the bonuses within 24 hours. And that's not enough. I've Tier 2 bonuses for fast action takers like you, but there's a twist for claiming Tier 2 bonuses. Just wait and let me show you Tier 2 bonuses after this. Feel free to skip to the main review part, or you can see what you're getting for free. Here are the Tier 2 bonuses I was talking about. And the twist is that you've to get at least one OTO upsell to claim these bonuses. And the process will be the same as before to make these bonuses yours. After completing the transaction, email your receipt to support@testedapps.com. So I can use this information to validate your purchase. You will receive your free bonuses within 24 hours.
about animations. Highlight vital information effortlessly. YouTube subscribe animations. Engage your audience with a captivating subscribe animation they'll love. YouTube thumbnail designs. Increase views with professional thumbnail designs. YouTube cover designs. Impress clients with eye-catching YouTube channel cover designs. MotioMatic V3 simplifies the video creation process. Step 1. Log in and select a template. Step 2. Edit the template with Canva. Step 3. Export and profit. Join thousands of satisfied users who have transformed their marketing with MotioMatic V3. Don't miss out on our special early bird price. Get started today with MotioMatic V3 and take your video marketing to the next level. Click the button below and start profit from selling PLR cinematic video animations today.